If you create anything on YouTube, long or short, you are a creator. A creator. Because when YouTube want to send you a notification, they call you a partner, a partnership on YouTube, not a short partnership or a long partnership, right? So I want to address something, especially those that are starting. They are thinking, they are pressurized. Oh, so if I do short form content, that means I'm less, that means YouTube is not seeing me, because that's the narrative. Oh, start your long form content and every other thing. So if you're watching those videos, I'm telling you that no is no. You are a creator, either short or long. So whatever you think is okay for you, you need to do it and stop with this narrative of a thing. A lot of short creators are making money. In short, a lot of creators are making money either on your long form or your short form. Do whatever works for you. Let me tell you this with full confidence. You are a YouTuber. Don't let anyone downplay your effort because you create shorts. Oh, short is just 30 seconds. Me, I'm in long form content. I do thumbnail. I do this. I make this. I do this. You have thousands of videos. Oh, you have a lot of subscribers because you are doing short. Hello? That is jealousy, because in the eye of this app, you are a YouTuber and they are amazed about your growth and how you're developing yourself from 0 to 20k subscribers to 10k subscribers to 1k subscribers, and someone wants to downplay your effort because the person is having 500 subscribers and is doing long form and is saying that you are not the same. To you are not the same, but to the owner of the app, we are called YouTuber, we are called creators. The funny thing is that a lot of people have this mindset that if you don't do long form, you are not a creator, you are not making it. Because let me just tell you one bitter truth. In my own analysis, and this is my opinion, you see, long form is just like a professional app that when you want to do a video or something lengthy that somebody needs to pay attention, that you decide that you want to watch. You see that short form, I see it as like a TikTok or Instagram that ease your tension, that you want to relax, you want to enjoy the flow, you want to laugh, you want to just ease your tension, and you just go to the short form and watch for a second. The lifespan is very low and you enjoy whatever you see. That is what it is. So if you're that kind of content creator, a lot of people are doing it on TikTok. Did they say that you are doing talking video, that means you are better than someone that is doing skits or is doing lip syncing? It's only on YouTube you see that kind of thing. You need to erase that mindset and join short, and it will even be more beautiful. If you're making money from your long form, if you're making money from your short, beautiful. That's what I'm doing in my long form and in my short. So this video you are watching me is from my long form video that you're watching me from. So whichever works for you, but don't downplay any effort of whether the long form or the short form and feel that it is worth it. That is what I'm trying to emphasize here. But the truth is simple. YouTube does not discriminate. People do. So stop doing that. When YouTube send you a mail, this mail, YouTube does not address us as long form creators or short form creators. They address us as YouTubers or a partner, right? So know this and know peace. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so you get notification when my video pops up. See you in my next video. Bye.